Let's find the perimeter of this entire shape here. The perimeter P is like walking around the outside, which is 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus this unknown side we'll call C. Focusing on the right triangle, let's use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So C squared equals 16 plus 49. C squared equals 65. So C equals the root of 65. So the perimeter is 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus C, which is 15 plus root 65 units. Now let's focus on the area of the triangle. We could add the area of two separate triangles, but it's faster to treat this as one giant base. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, and the entire base is 3 plus 7, which is 10. And the perpendicular height is 4 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 4 is 20 units squared. What is the area of this triangle? The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base here is 8 because we have a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Recall the Pythagorean triple. C squared equals A squared plus B squared using the Pythagorean theorem, and we're just doubling the numbers. 3 becomes 6, 4 becomes 8, and 5 becomes 10. So the base is 8. So area equals base times height, the perpendicular height is 6, divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24 units squared. Let's find the area of this shaded region in this triangle below. The area of the shaded is the whole area of the giant triangle. Subtract this hollow small triangle. So the area of the shaded is the large triangle, which is base times height divided by 2, minus the area of the small triangle. So what is a large triangle? We have the base, which is 3 plus 10. So we have 13 times the perpendicular height, which is 4, divided by 2, minus the area of the small hollow triangle, which is here, which is also base times height divided by 2. Now the base here is 3, and the height here is 4. So what we have is 4 divided by 2 is 2, times 13 is 26, minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, times 3 is 6. So we have 20 units squared. Now a more efficient way to find this shaded triangle area is to simply focus on this one triangle alone. The area of a triangle, even though it's slanting, is base times height divided by 2. The base is the part that's touching the ground, and that's 10. The perpendicular height is 4. That's the vertical height, not the 5, but the 4, all divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 4 is 20. So we have 20 units squared.